So welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Just got in from church. Of course, it's a Big Hat Sunday. And I'm going to get downstairs into the garden, get changed, get downstairs in the garden, and see what else I can do. There was a raccoon last night I saw messing around in my garden. So I got to go down there and see what this guy has done. So wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. See, these summer critters have already started. All right, let me get out there and see what's going on in the garden. Hope everyone is having a great day. And let me get out of my big hat and get started. Welcome back to Life on Greenwood, everyone. It was a little cool today. Oh, yesterday it was, I don't know what was going on up here. The last 2 days was like in the 30s. Today it's 60, about 60. And it feels pretty good, so I think I'm going to put some dahlia tubers in a pot and leave them out here on the deck and see how they do. But welcome to Life on Greenwood. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to put some dahlia tubers in a pot. I've been holding on to them. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to try. You can see all my other stuff that I haven't put out yet because it's been so cold. I actually moved them inside the other day because it was so cold outside. I mean, it was cold. We actually got sleet the other day, and I moved them inside. And yesterday was in the 30s. The day before that was in the 30s. So I brought everything back out. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is it for the frost, and we can really say it's spring. So I'm going to put my dahlia tubers in this little pot here, in 2 little pots, and that's all I'm going to do today.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Kids are having a fire drill over there. I see them all lined up on the sidewalk from the school. I heard the alarm, but I didn't know what it was, but there's a fire alarm going on over there. And the kids are all out in the yard. You can see through there. The kids are all lined up in the yard for a fire drill. Oh, happy days.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Cleaned out this mailbox a little bit here. Let me show you. So that's pretty clean. Pulled out all the leftover things that were in there from last year. It's pretty clean. We have to replace this mailbox, I think. It got hit again over the winter. I mean, we had so much snow, we couldn't even find it. It was stuck in the in a snowbank for a couple of days, and we couldn't even find this mailbox. So we do have a spare. I think I mentioned last year that we have a spare mailbox that we've been wanting to put in, and we just didn't get a chance to put it in yet. After that last time it got knocked over, we thought about putting it in, but we did not, and now it got knocked over again during this past winter. And I don't know, the whole thing looks like it needs to be, the whole post really looks like it needs to be redone. But I don't know, we'll see. All right, guys, that's it for the front mailbox garden. It looks really good. Ready for action. So I kind of cleaned out that these yuccas just a little bit. Well, this is all the leaves that came out of there. I have another one to do, but I don't know if I'm going to get to that one. It's over here. So I don't know if I'm going to get to this one or not. So we'll see. But Hubby's got to get morale and get cracking with the getting the rest of those leaves up in the back of the yard. I'm spent.